Snow plowing is a dangerous business. Bad visibility, splashback, and freezing rain or snow are normal for snow removal drivers. One of the toughest conditions to deal with is snow and ice on the front windshield. This can happen from the wipers pushing heavy snow to the side and from buildup under the wipers, causing large amounts of accumulation that can be difficult to clear. To clear these areas, the driver often has to stop the vehicle and manually clear the snow and ice, putting him or her in harm's way from traffic and harsh weather. Standard heated air defrosters generally don't reach the areas under the wipers or along the sides where the snow accumulates. The resulting buildup of snow can cause wiper motors to burn out and leave dirty streaks on the glass. There have been some products developed to address this problem, all with their own pros and cons. For example, Everblade's heating windshield wiper blades use high-density heating elements to keep the silicone on the wiper warm to melt the snow. This system works well to keep the wiper clear of snow, but has limited thermal reach to the accumulating snow under the wiper resting area or along the side where the wiper pushes the snow. Another aftermarket product is the Therm heated wash. This is a system used to warm the wiper fluid container, so the fluid being sprayed on the windshield melts snow and ice faster. This product works well when there is a small amount of snow and ice buildup. If there's too much snow, the fluid is quickly drained from the reservoir and needs to be refilled often. We recommend a third and most comprehensive option, the Clearview Aftermarket Defroster System by Frostfighter. The Clearview Defroster is a complete defrosting grid and controller system that is installed directly on the glass in the areas where the snow accumulates. The wiper parking area is the most troublesome spot on the windshield as it sits low on the glass and the defrosting air vents can't reach it. Snow builds up rapidly on that area, causing the wipers to work harder, which can result in motor burnout. Clearview defrosters are high-density copper grids that deliver the maximum amount of heat to the glass to melt and clear the snow effectively and efficiently. The Clearview system can also be mounted along the side of the glass where the snow is pushed and can be connected with a single switch to operate. The system can operate automatically on various time intervals, or it can be set to manual mode for ultimate driver control. The Clearview system has been installed on thousands of snowplows in the USA and Canada, as well as many municipal entities such as the City of Greenfield in Greenfield, Minnesota, and the City of West Chicago in West Chicago, Illinois. Our products are widely purchased by fleet dealers such as Wisconsin Kenworth and JX Truck Center in Bolingbrook, Illinois, and by specialty snow removal equipment manufacturers like Wausau Equipment in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Clearview defrosters are a complete defroster solution that can be installed quickly and easily to both commercial and personal vehicles. Ask us about using Clearview defrosters on your plows, commercial vehicles, or fleets.